Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. That's my 12-inch by 24-inch canvas that I've tried to love for some days now. And so far, I'm not having an easy time of it. So I'm going to put some medium black paint into a dish. Grab a little swipe card. And black out some areas. Contemplating geometrics. I think I left some paint in my way. Not sure what's going to happen. I'm trying to just trust myself and my instincts to work things out. I am planning on putting colors in, and I think I shouldn't wait an awfully long time to do so, because I'd like the black paint that I'm using to stay wet. I'm not sure how long that's going to be the case. I could also just put some of that right down there, which I might need in the bumpier places. Need to do. Who knows, I might like it just like I'm doing to it. Do it to it. I think the dish is sort of a waste of time. Like literally sucking up my time. Where else do I want some of that? A lot of places, I think. And we'll go from there. I like that spot here. I don't want to destroy it. So I'll just move my intended square over. I don't expect them to stay much like they are. So let's start. I'm going to put a little bit of abalone in also. And hope I figure out what I'm doing soon. I'm not going to put the upholstery tack back in there. I am going to grab some Mayan gold. And I'm going to go for some pink diamond also. More of this. More? No, I haven't started. Sour lemon with orange crush. This is pink diamond. I think I might have said that. I'm not sure. I've got some royal sapphire. I've got a little Plum Blossom, which is a primary element. The Sapphire is, the Royal Sapphire is a Prizm Pour. Being called to some blue. I think I'm going to use some Midnight Shadow. I'm not sure why, except for that I've used it a couple times lately and I've liked it a lot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my white, my Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol, put it right down in my dish. A little more Mayan gold. Just utilizing whatever's on my card, as long as I think I can get away with it. And Midnight Shadows turned into green because I'm using green. I'm not sure about any of this right now. I guess I'll just call it my warm-up and chalk it up to experience. So much for saving the things I liked. I'm inclined to just continue to add black in a big way. And I might use my toothy tool, which I did get out in anticipation. One thing I do like doing is mark making. I thought about using the tongue depressors to dip, but I think I'm just going to have a good time. I'm not going to worry about what happens next. I'm just going to dip into my black. And it might wind up being a few other colors. Might add to what I've got. I might like to put some of the abalone in that dish and do the same thing with it. So far so good. Or so bad, whatever you want to think. I'm desirous of some pink. And I have plenty of the pink diamond. So I'm just going to give it to myself. And try and use the other side of the card. Basically just using the last painting as a backdrop. Whoops. I dipped in the wrong puddle. I lost my pink. Well, maybe I can scoop it up. Kind of want some gold. I'm thinking some gold would be good. I can leave the lines, or I can move them with my card. This is highly unusual and kind of fun. As long as I'm not freaking out that I'm failing, it's fun. If I have no no absolute plan, it's hard to fail. I'm going to try the Abalone, which is a wonderful shimmering Prizm Pour. Oh, I like the white. I do need to have sort of something in mind as far as keeping a vertical or horizontal. Oh, the pink works too. A lot of times I talk about just using my bottles, and then I don't do it. I think I want a clean card. Maybe even a... No, I have a clean card. Cool. That'll work. I don't know how long it'll stay clean for. I like what's showing through. It's definitely a risk. Love the pink over that sour lemon. I might be almost done because I like what I have. I might have to take a moment to stand back and look at it. I might want a little bit more black too, like right here. It's kind of exciting, honestly. I used to do this I don't know what I'm doing stuff all the time. Now it's a little more comforting to actually do stuff I think I know what I'm doing in advance, but right now I don't care. Is there any place that doesn't draw the eye? I want to know what's drawing the eye. It's going to wind up looking like buildings or a city or something again. I like messing with the colors, changing up the contents of the stripes. You could put a skewer in, actually, and just go drag it up and down. It's a lot like a patchwork. This is my only sell spot. Okay, we got to do something about that. Let's see what happens. And I put a little white on there. I have been using the Mayan gold on top of the white cell activator. Yeah, it's good to add a few more patterns. I wasn't really trying too hard to get cells because I had so many cells in the first stage. Throwing in a couple of verticals seems to be a good idea too. I've got plenty of this color to steal if I want it. Yeah, this is fun. Let me grab some black. I don't want all this white here. I Might want some more though. I think if I go much further, I'll lose the continuity of what I'm enjoying. But sometimes it's hard to stop. I think I want some more white here, where that midnight shadow is. That was entertainment because I just used up all my time. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I have over 2,700 videos, organized by topic and genre and by the 100. You can find them by going to my channel, or you can ask me because I'm happy to help you. This was way more fun than I was anticipating. When I started out, I didn't know what I was doing, and then it just sort of spoke to me, and I absolutely love it now, which is the obvious the obvious accomplishment of satisfaction that I was chasing, but I wasn't sure I was going to get. Not always 100% on the little blobs at the beginning of a bottle line, a poured bottle line. But I am absolutely loving this now. I mean, I couldn't love it more if I tried. The colors showing through are perfect. The colors I added are perfect. I'm so pleased. I want to steal a little more paint. Where did I just see that I wanted something? I have to call it good. I want to thank you guys for your kind words and your comments and your compliments that keep my morale boosted. And I want to thank you very much for the donations that help keep me painting. There are several ways to help. Shopping my Amazon link is one. Using the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code that is right next to the link to the website. Shopping Colour Arte products, 20% off. It's a good deal. My Amazon link, if you shop there, if you start there to buy anything on Amazon, it's at no added cost to you. And I have all kinds of really awesome stuff on my list. I hate wasting that paint, but I think I can figure out something else to do with it. In the meantime, I'm going to try and shimmer this at you. I don't know about that one spot. It's just too much of a good thing right there. Drawing the eye. There we go. That's better. Use up my residuals from one end to the other. I'm loving this. Ha! I love you guys too. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week right now. I love all the patterns showing through. I love the colors. I know I sound redundant, don't I? I'm sorry. Let's see if I can get... Oh, that's pretty from up here too. Huh? That's my kind of art right there. That's abstract expressionism at its best for me. Love the patterns, love the colors, love the way that flows. The energy is awesome. Thank you guys so much for giving me a thumbs up, sharing my videos, watching them longer. Looking on my link tree for my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. This is like magnificent in my opinion. Thanks for being here so much. When you shop my Amazon link, you'll find my 2 books, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2, the first and second 100 videos I made for YouTube, still relevant now for paint pouring. My community board will show you tomorrow's video most often. Please ask questions if you'd feel like it. I do sell my artwork, and my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. And what was I going to say? I forgot. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Look for my paint pouring recipes underneath the video. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.